How to set up your Cash app. In this video you will find this step by step. So first of all, download the Cash app. For that, go to Google Play Store or Apple App Store, search for Cash app and tap install. Once you install it, tap on the Cash app icon on your phone to open it. On the welcome screen, tap the Get Started button to begin setting up your account. Type in your phone number or email address and tap Next to continue. Check your phone or email for a verification code and enter it in the app to confirm your identity. Type in your first and last name and tap Next to proceed. Choose a unique cash tag username that others will use to find and send you money. Type in your zip code to verify your location and tap Next to continue. Enter your debit card details to connect your bank account for easy sending and receiving of money. Set up direct deposit to receive your paycheck or government payments directly into your Cash app account. Create a strong PIN or enable Face ID to keep your Cash app account safe and secure. Enter your date of birth and last 4 digits of your SSN to fully verify your Cash app account. Allow Cash app to send push notifications so you stay updated on every transactions and payment. Your account is fully set up. Explore the Cash app dashboard to start sending, receiving, and investing money. Thank you for watching.